This tutorial is to discuss a Python program to accept a number from the user and find it is even or odd number. To accept a number from the user, the input method is used. The input method accepts a number from the standard input device and returns a value in the format of string. So if it requires to be converted into an integer format, the typecasting should be done with the method int. The user accepted number will get converted into integer and it gets stored into the variable n. Now a if statement can be used to check the number is divisible by 2 or not. The if statement is written with a keyword if followed by the condition and a colon. When this condition is true, the number n will be an even number. So the respective message that the number is an even number is written in the true part. It is followed by an else block. The else block starts with an else keyword and a colon symbol. Within the else block, a single statement is written, which is a print statement to print the number is an odd number. Now run and see the program output.